How to use Digital Key in the MGM Rewards app to unlock your room. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, complete your mobile check-in. After you're notified that your room is ready, open the MGM Rewards app. After you open MGM Rewards app, here, simply click on Trips. Click on Find Reservation. After your room is ready, you'll find a confirmation number. Add your last name and confirmation number and press on search. After you find your room details, there you'll find room key under your room number. Confirm digital key is activated in the app. Go to your room door and hold your phone near the receiver. If the door does not lock, reopen the room key screen and then unlock it again. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to use Digital Key in the MGM Rewards app to unlock your room. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.